Hi viewers, I was recently asked if my silver testing slides worked on fractional silver. Well, it's not something I've ever actually thought to try because I've never actually seen any fake fractional silver. Unless of course they were referring to coins, I'm not sure. But anyway, I thought in this video we'd give it a go and see how we get on. Now obviously, when you've got a small fractional bar and you're trying to test it with a little neodymium magnet, it's rather difficult, isn't it, to see any kind of reaction. But let's see how that works on the slide. A very different reaction, as you can see. Works perfectly. First time I've ever done that. So I then thought to myself, what about fractional bars in the sleeves? So let's give one of those a go. Ah, yes indeed. I mean, I do personally always like to check the measurements and weigh as well, because you know, copper does give a similar reaction. So a silver plated bar made of copper would give a similar reaction, but of course it wouldn't be the same size. And if it was the same size, it would be the wrong weight. So always weigh, check and slide. Anyway, so it worked in the sleeve, so I thought, what about in the capsule? Got a little fractional Mexican silver there, if it'll ever focus. Oh, it's a very bright sunlight today. So let's give that a go on the slide. Well, as you can see, it is a bit quicker because obviously it hasn't got the direct contact area. Now obviously it will work on dimes, I suppose, because yep, 90% silver works very well. Oh, what have we got here? A 1928 florin. So let's give that a go. I'm guessing it's going to be a bit slower, faster, because it's larger. Yeah, it is obviously slightly heavier. Well, here's another one, a little British sixpence from 1931. Try and block the sun out. We can't see that very well, but let's give it a go. Yes, indeed. And I thought to myself, as we're testing silver on this slide, we'll run this Swiss of America 1 ounce down the slide. And pointing out at the same time that although you'd think these two would run down the same, they won't, because this Rolo has got a much higher relief. So you've got a smaller contact area with the neodymium magnets. So let's give that a go and see how it goes. As you can see, quite a bit faster. So you do have to pay attention to the relief of the round or coin you are running down the slide. And while we're at it, we'll run this down there too, from Salvate Metal. Yes, we'll give the Sal round a go on the old CCT slide. Yes, works perfectly of course, but I knew it would. Sal wouldn't be selling fake silver, would he? So no matter what country you're from, it looks like the slides work well on fractional coinage and silver. So let's put a Canadian half down there. Look at that, that's very slow. And a quarter. Very slow indeed. And of course we mustn't forget our American friends. Let's put a Walking Liberty half down there. Anyway, hope you've found the video useful, and obviously for those in the United States, if you want one of my slides you can contact Mr. Vegeta. Anywhere else in the world, my email is in my About tabs. You can contact me directly or via Instagram. Anyway, thanks for watching.